The OPPO Find N6 is shaping up to redefine what a premium foldable phone can be. Blending sleek design, next-gen display tech, and flagship-level performance into a single refined device. Welcome to my technological world. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Introducing new upcoming OPPO Find N6 foldable device. At the heart of its appeal is the display experience. The Find N6 is expected to feature a beautifully engineered foldable screen that feels immersive and fluid in every interaction. Whether you're scrolling social feeds, watching videos, or juggling multiple apps, the Find N6 aims to deliver a bright, vibrant panel with smooth motion and seamless transitions between folded and unfolded states. But the Find N6 is more than just a stunning screen. It represents OPPO's evolution in foldable engineering, a journey from bulkier early designs to something that feels sleek, balanced, and practical for everyday use. With each generation, OPPO has honed its hinge technology, reduced thickness, and improved durability. The Find N6 is poised to build on that legacy by offering a display that's not only larger and more immersive, but also more responsive and energy efficient, bringing foldable phones closer to the feel of a traditional smartphone. The OPPO Find N series has been a story of steady, meaningful progress, thinner designs, stronger hinges, and smarter engineering. If OPPO continues this trend, the Find N6 could represent one of the most refined foldable phones yet, bringing us closer to a future where foldable feel truly normal. All eyes are now on OPPO to see how far they can push the limits once again. To understand the importance of the Find N6, it's worth looking at how far OPPO has already come. The Find N2 was a major breakthrough for OPPO, delivering a noticeably thinner and lighter foldable compared to earlier designs. Then came the Find N3, which refined the hinge mechanism even further. OPPO focused on structural strength while shaving off unnecessary bulk, making the device feel more premium and balanced when folded or unfolded. With the Find N5, OPPO pushed the limits again. The phone became slimmer, more refined, and closer than ever to a traditional flagship in terms of feel. This steady reduction in thickness across generations shows OPPO's clear roadmap and sets the stage perfectly for what's next. Battery life has always been a challenge for foldable phones, but OPPO has consistently improved this area. Despite reducing thickness with each generation, OPPO has managed to maintain respectable battery capacities through smarter internal layouts and software optimization. For the Find N6, OPPO is expected to focus heavily on efficiency. Rather than simply increasing battery size, the emphasis is likely on better power management, faster charging, and longer screen-on time. Combined with optimized hardware and software tuning, the Find N6 aims to deliver all-day usage, even with its large foldable display. In short, the OPPO Find N6 isn't just another foldable. It's the next chapter in OPPO's mission to make flexible screens feel natural, powerful, and unmistakably premium. So this is the fresh information about new OPPO Find N6. For more videos, hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.